Ah, walk, ah, hear my mighty voice come to walk.
In Bingle Bog, every creature dreaded the frog's evening concert.
Sings a pure, soaring, melodic trill.
So beautiful, pure magic.
Your technique is poor, little bird. You lack my force. You need a master. Again, sing through the rain. Louder from the chest. Step right up. 2 coins to hear my prize student.
She tried to please the critic and lost her own beautiful voice forever.
Brainless bird. Now where was I? K-A-A-A-O-B-A.
Remember, your talents are unique. Don't let anyone else make you doubt how truly special you are.